That book sucks. But you know what doesn't suck? Keeping weirdos off your property. Today I'm going to show you how. In your Vivint app on your camera feed, tap Settings, choose your doorbell, Detection, go ahead and draw what you want to cover. I like to know if someone enters my yard, and I'm going to choose a pretty broad area there. Choose your sensitivity. Usually 3 is pretty good, and then you're done.
Camera recording.
And that's how you adjust your detection settings on your Doorbell Camera Pro. Like and follow for more tips.